It's cold. It is because your dreams are not yet done. You're here because you dreamed big dreams, the kind others said were impossible. So can you be a living proof that it is possible? This isn't a Hollywood movie. Let me tell you this, I come from the other side of the tracks. If you saw where I grew up, you might say it's impossible for someone from there to get here, but I am proof that it is possible. Dream big, surround yourself with great people, leave your ego at the door, share success with others, and have a little luck along the way. You can achieve anything, but there will be people who say you're dreaming too big and that your dreams are impossible. Don't let anyone, friend, family, acquaintance, teacher, or anyone else tell you that your dreams are not possible. It is possible. Don't become one of those people who, 20 years from now, are stuck in a 9-to-5 job, miserable and angry because you let your dreams slip away. Believe in yourself and what is possible. I can't encourage you enough to continue believing that your dreams can come true. Finding your calling is crucial, and it must be something you are so passionate about that you are willing to knock down walls, climb mountains, and sacrifice for its success. You can only do that when you have a compelling underlying feeling that you are willing to fight for this. You can't achieve the highest levels of success unless you find something you are passionate, excited, and in love with. On your journey, you will need to convince many people to believe in you, your idea, and the opportunity. The struggle and obstacles you face can only be overcome by your passion, which will help you get others to follow you over those hurdles. Dream big, and then dream even bigger. When you know there is something you want to do, believe that we all have a purpose. We all have something we are meant to do, and we all have goodness within us. This goodness gives us the responsibility to manifest our greatness. Dream big and fight for your dreams with everything you have. Surround yourself with great people. Leave your ego at the door. Share your success, and be prepared to work hard and sacrifice. With passion, belief, and perseverance, you can achieve anything. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. To desire success and be ambitious is not enough. You must know precisely what you want, understand why you're pursuing it, and dedicate every breath to achieving it if you believe you have the potential to make a difference. If you recognize that your unique talent is worth nurturing and developing, then there is nothing you can't achieve. Focus is critical. Narrow your attention to one primary goal and commit to it relentlessly. No matter the obstacles, stay the course. Dreaming is essential, but determination is the key. You must resolve that no matter what it takes, you will not stop until you make your dream a reality. Life is challenging. You might have grand plans to provide for your family, to buy things for loved ones, or to create a better future. Yet, life will often throw punches. Everyone faces setbacks. It's part of the journey. Life is not easy, and it's never a smooth path. You'll encounter critics and saboteurs, and you'll have to face moments of profound difficulty. Resilience comes from within. Like the gazelle that doesn't need external motivation, you must find inner strength. No matter how tough things get, you cannot give up. If success were easy, everyone would achieve it. Even at your lowest points, these challenges can become your greatest strengths as you learn, grow, and continue pushing forward. Belief in yourself is fundamental. Don't let anyone tell you that you're not good enough. Many young people doubt their potential, thinking others are better or more capable. However, if you truly want something, you'll find a way to achieve it. Your path may not look exactly as you envisioned, like winning third place when you aimed for first, but any progress is worth celebrating if it moves you closer to your goal. You must be willing to fight for your dream, to work tirelessly day and night, sacrificing your time, peace, and sleep. If your dream consumes your thoughts and life feels meaningless without it, then your dedication must match that passion. You must sweat, fret, plan, and face your fears, overcoming any opposition. Pursue your goal with all your capacity, strength, wisdom, faith, hope, and confidence. Let nothing deter you, not poverty, hunger, calm, sickness, or pain. Achieving your dreams requires all your efforts and an indomitable spirit. This relentless drive will ensure you reach your goals no matter the trials you face along the way. That's it, my friend. I hope you will achieve your hopes and dreams in life. This is Mr. W. Conquer yourself in goodness. Subscribe to our channel.